Hello dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family. Today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is appraise. Appraise. Appraise means estimate value. Synonyms of appraise are evaluate, consider. Example: the ring must be appraised by a jeweler before it can be insured. The ring must be appraised by a jeweler before it can be insured. Here appraise is in verb. And verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That aeroplane was flying above the clouds. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye.